It's your Popeye's name. Cupcakes. What's up, guys? KJ15. In my first video, right now it's like 11 o'clock-ish, 12, something, I'm not sure. And, today in this video, I guess we're just throwing the ball, this little tiny ball. So watch. There you go. Little girl. Little girl. Little girl. Sorry. Right. Ready? Drop it. Drop it. Yeah, her name's Cupcake. You never think about calling her Oreo, but I mean, you can tell that she looks like an Oreo, but there's a cat outside that looks exactly the same. But I didn't call that one Oreo. I wasn't even thinking that name when I got my first cat. Little girl. Oh, okay. Now you want to go hardcore. She's gonna hide with it. You don't want to be popular and famous on YouTube? You can make me be a billionaire. You might see your cuteness. Please. I love it forever. I'll give you some chocolate. Just kidding. I'll give you some food though that you can eat.
Alright, now no bark, no
Don't
growling.
bite. Ready? Ready? Hang on.
The first step was to reduce the distortion in the images from the security video.
But when he got there, Buckner closed the door in his face.
Which is then eliminates leaving only the essential information behind.
Hang on. Hey, baby.
Richardson came home empty-handed.
Let's wait.
Hoping Buckner would eventually change his mind. The retrial of Timothy Harris began on February 27, 1989, almost 4 years after the brutal murders of Gary Eastman's wife and daughters.
The pictures were shot from a distance. In order to match the pictures of the suspect, investigators turned
This time, Harris would testify.
Oh, yeah.
He applied a technique called photo-skull superimposition. He took the mugshot of the suspect, Ron Allen, and superimposed it over the image taken from the security camera.
We found the two raised remote that you're look there.
Yeah. Whoa! She even bounced off the chair.
Cross-examination.
She's like,
Harris with the alleged motive for the murder.
Prosecutor says you lost women tried to have sex with her and
The images were laid on top of one another and revealed the identity of Wanda Mason's killer.
I never had sex with her. That never happened. He identified a short accident wanted to see him in a different light in the video, which makes it substantially different from anybody else.
At the first trial, the absence of blood on Harris's jacket.
She sounds like a car, right?
As the state's expert insisted dry cleaning had removed any blood stains.
Oh yeah, my birthday's coming up, but we celebrate early, so I'll be 14.
Prosecutors feared that the defense
No, never mind, I won't be.
the use of the process videotape for identification.
When the prosecution challenged the dry cleaner's knowledge, Richardson was ready with his own expert.
So yeah, guys, please subscribe and like to my cute little dog. Oh my gosh, every time I think of her, I always forget her name. Cupcake, and yeah.